underline them. Which numbers? So check. This is roughly he made. This is an advertisement given in local newspaper. In the both, so which were not rounded? Just to check. 18,850. This amount is there. Here, what is the amount? 18,850. This is not rounded. This is not rounded. And how many stalls are there? Roughly 15 stalls. And in local newspaper, in an advertisement, 15 stalls. So both were not rounded. So this, so as it is, he gave the both is the correct. It means, see here, this one we have to underline. Both is not rounded. So 18,850 and 15 stalls. In this, roughly what he made and what he gave in local newspaper, these two numericals, these two numbers is not rounded. Now, which of these should you have rounded? Underline them. So, which numbers here? Amount is there 18,850. So, could be rounded to 19,000. It's correct. 18,850. So, we could rounded 90 as 19,000. So, this one is correct. So, we have to underline this one. And here 100 cakes to 106 cakes. No, already 100 is a round off number. So again, why we make it 106? It's not correct. 100 is only the rounding number. 100 is the rounding number. So it is not correct to make again 106. So here 18,850. So it is when we round off this number, it is approximately 19,000. So we can round 18,850 as 19,000. This one is correct, but this one is not correct. So we can round 18,850 as 19,000. So it's not correct to make 100 as 106. Okay. So this we have to underline. Now students, in fourth exercise, some statements are here. So we say that read the following statements and say when the number can be rounded. When the number can be rounded. So if possible, then round it, then make a tick mark there, and when it cannot, if the rounded cannot possible, then make wrong. So okay, so now three statements are given. So what are the three statements? Read one by one. 32,593 people died in earthquake. So this many people they died. Sometimes, so it means counting is there. So it is near to 33, 32, whatever. So then we can round in this number. So maybe in this case we can round it. So rounded is possible in this case. When so these 32,593 people died in earthquake. These many people died. So this number of people we can round it. We can round it in this situation. In this situation. So here it is correct. Now I got 73 marks in my English exam. In my English exam I got 73 marks. So if I round it, so it makes to 70. So 70 means I lose 3 marks. So it's not correct. Number of marks, how many marks? So whoever scored, so that is fixed. We can't round it. We cannot round it that one. So number of marks, whatever the score is there, that score is the same, that is constant, never be rounded. That cannot be rounded. That cannot be rounded. If the numbers are rounded, sometimes maybe it happens your grades, so it will change sometimes your rank will be changed. So these cases arises. So that is why whatever marks you are getting, so that is not rounded. That is not rounded. So this is a wrong situation. So here in the third, 13,989 people watched the hockey match. These many people they watched. So it can be rounded. Number of people 13,989. So it is near to 14,000. So we can round this number. Number of people. Say this case, this situation. So in this case we can round. So it is still. So these two cases, so round off is possible. In this case, rounding is not possible. Okay. Thank you. Yes, now students, next. Estimate each of the following the rounding of the nearest tens. Nearest tens we have to rounding off these numbers. Rounding off nearest tens. Then how to rounding off nearest tens? Already we discussed nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand. These three things we did. So again here, nearest tens. Here see how to do nearest tens. First, so this is ones place, this is tens place. In nearest tens, whenever nearest 10 is given, so in ones place we keep 0. Ones place we keep 0. Now, we decide tens place. So what is there in ones place? In ones place 5 or more than 5 is there. Then we have to increase by 1. Here 5 is there. So here we increase by 1. So we will get 5 here. 4 will change as 5. Nearest tens 50. 45 nearest 10 is 50. Again here also ones tens. Nearest tens means ones place we keep 0. And after that we have to check what is there in ones place. What is there in ones place? Here 9 is there. 9 means this is greater than 5. When the number is greater than 5, then 8 done as 9. So we have to increase one more. Why? Because here write your condition. Here 8 is greater than 5. Here 5 is equal to 5. So that is why. So in tens place, whatever the value is there in tens place, that we have increased one more. Ones tens. In this way we have to round. Okay. Next, nearest tens, that is our. Estimate the following product of the following nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds we have to make. So and after that we have to find the product also. Here 444 nearest hundreds. Right here hundreds. Nearest hundreds. So what is nearest hundreds? Nearest hundreds means ones, tens and hundreds. Whenever you ask nearest hundreds, in ones place, tens place we keep 0. Ones place and tens place we have to keep zeros. In two places we keep 0. In hundreds place we have to check what is there in tens place. In tens place 4 is there. It means it is less than 5. It is less than 5. So we keep 4 as it is. Less than 5. This 4 is less than 5. So that is why whatever is there in hundreds place that we have to take as it is. In the same way, 777 nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds means in ones place, in tens place we have to keep zeros. For hundreds place, once you have to check what is there in tens place. In tens place 7 is there, it is more than 5. It is more than 5. So this will change. Hundreds place will change as 8. That is 800. Nearest 100 is 800. Then 400 and 700 product is 400 into 700. In simplest form I am showing in simplest form then how to find the product. 7 4s are. So just you multiply these two numbers. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Then how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 zeros we have to keep here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,80,000. 2,80,000. Otherwise we have to do so in detail, multiplication in detail. 400 into 700, do in detail. So otherwise whenever zeros are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, only like these two numbers are given. So in that case only this method you have to apply. So here 284, 138, in that case don't apply like this, okay. There we have to do in detail, multiplication in detail form, okay. Now 4 7s are 28, you have to keep. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are that 4 zeros you have to keep. We have to keep. Then 2,80,000, this is the product. Then here 371. nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. So what are the nearest hundreds? First ones place and tens place. In ones place and tens place we keep 0 and hundreds place we have to decide. What is there in hundreds place? 3. For the 3 we have to check what is there in tens place. It is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. If this is more than 5 then 3 will change as 4. So we have to increase one more. We have to add plus 1. Add plus 1 to the hundreds place value. That is 3 plus 1 4. Then 330 nearest hundreds. Then ones and tens place is 0. Then hundreds place. What is there in tens place? In tens place 3 is there. 3 means that is less than 5. So 3 as it is. No change in the 3. Now product of 400 and 300 is equal to 400 into 300. 400 into 300 in short form. If you want to do in detail, that you do in detail, otherwise in short form. In this case only you have to do short form. Here one digit is there, here one digit is there. Remaining digits are 0. So in such cases only, so you follow this method. 4 3s are 12. You keep 12. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep 4 zeros. 1,20,000. 1,20,000. In the same way, 294 nearest to hundreds. Then first ones place and tens place, in both the places 0, and in hundreds place we have to decide. What is there in tens place? 9. 9 it is more than 5, so we have to add these 2 to plus 1. So increase 1, then we will get 3. Well, so the tens place value is 5 or more than 5, so we have to add 1 to hundreds place. So then 2 plus 1 is 3, that is 300. 186 nearest hundreds. That is in tens and ones place we keep 0 and hundreds place. For hundreds place, what is there in tens place? 8. It is more than 5. So we have to add plus 1 to hundreds place. 1 plus 1 2. It is 200. Then 300 and 200 product is equal to 300 into 200. Now, how to multiply in short? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 60,000. In this way, nearest to hundreds we have to find. Then after that we have to find the product of nearest hundreds. Okay. So this is the way to find nearest hundreds product of nearest hundreds. Yes, now students, here see here what problems are given. So first and second. So what he has given, modern school decided to take the students to a movie. So it took 396 students on the first day, 420 students on the second day. On the first day, how many students? 396 students. They took 396 students for a movie, and on the second day, 420 students on second day. So then estimate the total number of students who saw the movie. On first day as well as second day. So modern school, so they decided to take students for a movie. On first day, 396 students on first day, and second day 420 students they took for a movie, and estimate the total number of students who saw the movie. Now here first we have to, so what we have to do here? So So we have to find total number of students. Total, he is asking total. So total, estimate the total number means we have to add. We have to add. So number of students. Number of students saw moving on first day. Moving on first day. How many? 396. 396. Number of students. Number of students saw moving on second day. How many students they saw? 420. 420. Now, this is actual. This is estimated. Estimation. Estimation. Nearest number of students who saw the movie. So, here estimate the total number of students who saw the movie. Nearest to hundreds we have to find. Nearest to hundreds. First, you add all this. Actual. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means this is in hundreds place, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is in hundreds place. And in tens place 9 is there, 2 is there. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means 110 and 100. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 816. Now, estimation. First, ones, tens, 100. In nearest hundreds, first we keep 2 zeros on ones and tens. For hundreds place, we have to check what is there in tens place. What is there in tens place? In tens place, 9 is there, it is greater than 5. So we have to add plus 1 to 3, that is 400. 396 nearest 100 is 400. Now, here, nearest hundreds means we have to keep zeros first. Now, what is there here? In tens place. In tens place 2 is there. It is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, then we keep 4 as it is. Then 0, 0, 8, 4 plus 4, 8. So estimated nearest is 800. Nearest is 800. Estimation. This is a estimation. Actual 816. Then estimation. Estimation of the students who saw the movie. Therefore, estimated students, total estimated, total estimated who saw the movie. This is a estimation. 800 students they saw the movie on 2 days, first day as well as second day. Okay. In this way we have to estimate and we have to find our answer, estimated answer. Okay. So actual also you have to find. Okay. Actual, how many students are there? That also you have to find, and estimated also you have to find. Okay. Now the second question. In a flower shop there were 362 roses and 134 tulip flowers. So then estimate total number of flowers. Total. Here he is asking total. Means again we have to add. How many roses are there? How many tulip flowers are there? That too we have to add. That too we have to add. Solution first. Next. Number of roses. 362. Number of tulips. How many? 134. And then 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 1, 496. This is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place. So this is actual. Actual, how many flowers were there? So that is next. Now here estimated. Estimation means estimated. So here estimated nearest to hundreds means ones, tens, hundreds. In ones and tens place we keep zeros. Then what is there in tens place? 6. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So here it will come 4. Next, ones, tens, 0 here. And here, what is there in tens plus 3? It is less than 5. So this one as it is. Now you add. Yes. 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5. Nearest, how many flowers are there? 500. Then actual 496. Therefore, nearest total estimated flowers 500. In this way we have to find the difference between estimation and actual. So a little minor difference is there between actual and estimated. Actual, whatever the flowers are, that flowers, and estimated. In actual 496 and 500 means only 4 flowers difference is there. So in that way only we will get a minor difference we will get. So because of that you should know so what is actual and what is the estimated. So you should do actual as well as estimated also. Actual what is the sum and actual what is the sum. Then you find so what difference you are getting. So in this way you have to find nearest to the value. Okay.